And welcome to pre-fall 23A. I'll show you a few of these pieces on. This is a dress, jacket, a very cool looking top, some jeans, and cardigan, jacket, top, another top, green jacket, pink sweater, black sweater, and a white sweater. These also come in cardigans and tops and dresses. So this is going to be a very quick video in spite of the amount of things I have to try. Also a black dress. So I will get started. Okay everyone, first piece. Here is the tag in case you're looking for it. Let me show you how it looks on. I love this piece. I'm going to look for the pants. Here's how it looks. I'm getting close, you can see the detail. Super cute, very comfortable, lots of stretch. I had to size up. This one is a 38 and no pockets, but here's how it looks in the back. And I think it's just truly beautiful, and the colors are beautiful. And it really makes, if you have green or brown eyes, pop. I can't see mine at the moment, but I think it looks really cool. So next piece. Okay, so this cardigan also comes in this green. The tailor thought the green one was a better one for me. I'm not a fan of that color green, so I've chosen the pink, and it's pink and brown. And here's how it looks on the back. This bulges the tag. Very cute, sexy cropped top, and very lightweight, easy to pull off, even with my Ruti pants, which I'll put a link to in my description. And overall, very cute. Here's the tag for this green jacket. Let me show you what it looks like. It's got a bit of a boxier cut in the shoulder. It does have a medium length, a medium bulky shoulder pad, and here's how it looks in the back. So let me know what you think about this one. I'm getting close, and you can see the colors. It's green, brown, and let me show you one thing. It does have a mini, so if you're looking for just a bag in this color, you do have options. I would not wear these, well, got it on wrong. I would not wear these together, but this is how the collection pieces look. There are pants that go with this as well. And you can see the buttons, up close detail, and the back as well. And this one actually might be a little bit big on me. Might be why it seems a little oversized in some areas. So, but great color if you have green or hazel eyes. Here's the tag on this jacket. Here you go. This does not look good on the hanger. I think it looks much better on. Here's how it looks on. Medium length. And let me show you some of the detail. This contrast stitching. Back, it's not tweed that I can tell, but it is a really nice fabric, and it has pockets. So I think it makes my skin look really good. I'm not a huge fan of the shape, but I think the overall look of this outfit is pretty cute. Just simple pants, white top, and an overall jacket. So that's this one. Moving on to the next. Tag for the cardigan, for those of you looking. It reminds me a little bit of a Halloween character. I can't remember when my daughter was like 3, but it's pretty cute. Longer length, very cool pockets, and yeah, I'm trying to show you with not the best camera angle, but you can see the detail. It does have some sparkle, but it's not itchy. Pockets are in the perfect position if you want to put your hands in your pockets when you're just, chilling. And I think it looks really good with white or something bright underneath. Going to be a great fall piece. So personally, I like this one a lot. Here's the top for those of you looking for it. This is a 36. By the way, it feels really nice. Sorry everyone, a few more pieces just kind of popped in. Here is the sweater. Super comfortable, lightweight, longer. I think it's just a really easy basic with some pretty cool buttons. Maybe go down a size in this one if you're looking for this piece. It's pretty cool. It's extremely comfortable. So that to me holds a lot of weight. So I don't know what other colors it comes in, but I do recommend this piece. If you like waffle print and just kind of a casual look, I think it's pretty good. If you're looking for a more put together look, then I don't think this is it. So here's the style and sizing. Now I'll try the next one. Simple black tank top, which for the sake of time, I'm going to put over my white one. I think many of us have a lot of these in our wardrobe, right? So there has to be something like really special about it. I think what's really special about this one is it's really comfortable. So here's the back, here's the front, and it feels really nice on. So now I'll try the next one. Okay, hot pink sweater. This is a 38. I was on reserve for this. Extremely soft. If you like soft, this might be your thing. I have a Dior sweater in this color, so I may not pick it just because I already have something similar to it, but you can see the color looks really good. I think it looks really good, and it's pretty true from what I can see on the camera. So fit is very soft. Fit is a little on the larger side, and here's the back of the sweater. So this is the only little CC detail here, and overall it feels really nice. Great fabric. This one comes in black and white. This is a 34. It might be a little bit too small, but we'll give it a shot. For those of you who saw my pre-fall last year, there were black and mustard yellow pants that match this. I'm pretty sure it's the same fabric. And 34 fits just fine, so you could definitely size down. So again, very basic and very much like the tank that I just tried. Same kind of fabric, feels really nice, simple, easy to just toss on and go and still look really nice. This is the same top in an off-white, but one size larger. I do think it's a little bit more comfortable, so I'll probably get the black in the 36. Not a huge fan of the white. I do have a white that I picked up in Saint Tropez, so I'll probably skip the white one. But again, very comfortable, nice on the body. This is the only CC detail that you'll see. So if you're looking for those, this is not your piece. And yeah, I think it's a really beautiful, simple top. I'm not gonna try this one on. This is not my style, but I just wanted to show those of you who are looking for it, what the tag looks like and the top itself. I think it's just overwhelming for someone like me. You can see there. But so I'm going to skip this one, but I wanted to give you a shot. So this jeans on the runway were shown with the pink sweater. This is a 40, and supposedly they have some stretch. That's how they look on the back. They do, but they're not the jeans for me. I'd rather pair my sweater with something a little simpler. So this is what they look like, if in case you're looking for them. But I'm going to pass on these jeans. For those of you looking for the tag for the jeans, this is it. And it does come in a couple of different washes. So here is more my thing. Just a pair of simple, tight knit pants. Let me show you the tag for those of you interested. These are 36. And let me show you something. If you liked this insanely expensive cardigan that I found, it does match this. So you can put this on together and have a really cute outfit. And so this is maybe my favorite from the collection. This cardigan, maybe my own white top, and these pants. So here you have it for this. I'm gonna try on a couple of dresses and then I'll be wrapped up. This is one of the dresses. I think it's really cute, very, very comfortable. I can see myself wearing this day to evening in the fall, not in the summer. But let me show you the detail. On the fabric, really pretty, light, easy to wear. So far this collection is really good. I'm very happy with this collection. One more piece to try and I'll be wrapped up. First video of many. Okay, so my last piece for today, this is a very simple black dress. I think it'll be great for the winter because I personally don't have any that are long sleeve and that feel this comfortable. So here's what it looks like. I think it's super cute. Let me show you. I'm also getting a little beanie, but let me show you these as well. The only detail, Chanel detail, is here, but they've lowered the price point a bit, as you can tell. So let me try on one more cardigan to show you. For those of you wondering what the green cardigan looks like, I'll at least be able to give you kind of a sneak peek. Here it is. For me, it's too foresty. I wish it was a little more olivey. That's why I'm not picking it up, but here it is. Thank you for watching. Please tell your family and friends about my video and about my channel if you haven't already. And I appreciate your subscribership and your support so much. Have a wonderful day.